In this video, we'll go over how to create and manage a Wonders District Planner. To create a district planner, you will need to have the teacher role assigned and a teacher edition of Wonders redeemed to your account for the grade level you want to create the planner for. For steps on how to add the teacher role to your account, refer to the Add Roles to an Existing User article. For steps on how to redeem material to your account, refer to the ConnectEd How to Redeem a Master Code and ConnectEd How to Use the ConnectEd Library articles linked below. If you have yet to create a class in Wonders, the Setup Wizard will automatically load. On the class information page, enter a class name. Select the school you want to create the district planner for from the school dropdown. If you have a class already created, you will have an option to select a planner to replicate the new class. Click the radio button next to if you want to use the McGraw-Hill suggested planner or if you would like to use an existing class planner. If you select to use an existing class planner, select the class from the dropdown. Click the Next button. Select your desired first teaching day from the provided calendar. Keep in mind, the selected first teaching day will be the set date for teachers that are using the district planner. Click the Next button at the bottom of the page. On the first teaching day pop-up, click the Proceed button to confirm the selected first teaching day date. Click Cancel to select a different day. On the Select Non-Teaching Days page, click on the calendar date for any days you would like to mark as non-teaching days. This is optional and can be done at a later time for teachers. Any March non-teaching days will be colored in teal, while all U.S. national holidays are automatically marked in gray. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page. On the Confirm Submission pop-up, click the Proceed button to create the class. If you need to select a different first teaching day, click on the Change First Teaching Day button to return to that step. Now that a class has been created, you will be able to create a district planner for that grade level. In the navigation banner, hover over Manage and Assign and select District Planner Manager from the drop-down menu. If you do not see this option under Manage and Assign, this means you do not have proper administrator access for the site. You will need to reach out to an organization administrator to have proper admin access assigned to your profile before you will have access to this option. Refer to the Create Administrator Accounts and Add Roles article for steps on how to add the Organization Administrator role to a profile. On the District Planner Manager page, click the Create District Planner button to the right. On the Create District Planner pop-up, enter a district planner name. We recommend adding the school year to the name so it's easy to identify which planner is the most current. Select the class you want the planner to be based on. Once the desired class is selected, you will see the first teaching day that was selected for that class. This will be the day the planner also starts for teachers using the district planner. If this is not the correct first teaching day, you will want to create a new class from the Class Details page and select a different first teaching day. Click the Submit button to create the district planner. You will then see the district planner listed on the District Planner Manager page. To activate the desired district planner for teachers to use, click the radio button to the left of the district planner. On the Activate District Planner pop-up, click the OK button. You can create a district planner for each class you set up. However, you can only have one active district planner at a time, no matter how many classes you've created for that grade level. To activate a different district planner, you can deactivate the current planner first by clicking on the Deactivate link to the right of the planner. Click OK on the pop-up, and then click on the radio button to the left of the planner you want to activate. You can also just click on the radio button to the left of the desired planner. On the Activate District Planner pop-up, click the OK button. Remember, this will make the currently activated district planner inactive. The teachers will not be able to select it any longer unless you reactivate it. If any teachers already created their classes with that district planner, they will be able to continue using that planner setup without issue. If you want teachers to use the newly active district planner and they've already created their class, they will need to create a new class. To delete a district planner, you first must deactivate the planner by clicking on the link under the Actions column on the right. You will then be able to click the Delete link under the same column. We recommend that at the end of every school year, you at least deactivate the district planner used that year, if not delete it, so that when teachers go to create their Wonders class for the new school year, they do not select the old district planner, as their class calendar will then not follow the current year. This concludes our look at creating and managing a Wonders district planner. Be sure to look at the other available help materials for more information about using your ConnectEd and Open Learning programs.